Okay, it's more or less always the same answer. The situation is good, especially after we have won our last match, and more or less everybody is healthy, and that's the situation for us. It's good, so we can choose who is fitting best in the team at the moment for the situation. And we are ready. We are ready for the difficult match tomorrow. And that's it.
Another order we shall respect is that we are going to first have a series of questions from Mr. Coach, then after we'll have the captain, so don't mix up things. Thank you. Before you'll have to say your name, the media house you're coming from, and you quick to the point. Thank you. First question? Yes.
Ni Egide.
That's the name, Egide.
Oh, okay.
Iyi match tugiye gukina ni match kavuga ngo iri kurusha cyangwa se match ikomeye twebwe ku Mavubi. Ishobora kutugufungurira umuryango noneho kuba twanagira n'ikizere cyo kujya mu mikino y'Afrika, mu mikino nyuma y'igikombe cya Afurika. We nk'umutoza n'abakinnyi be, iyi match ibuze iki kuri bo? Ese barayifata gute? Noneho anatubwire mu buryo bw'abahungu bari kumwe nabo bari kwitegura gute, ese abakinnyi bari kwitonda gute kugira ngo babe bazabasha kwitwara neza ku mukino w'ejo.
The question is that this match is very crucial and it's the key to qualify to the AFCON. So he was actually asking, how are you taking it? How serious are you taking it? And what is actually what does it mean to you? What does this game mean to you?
Yeah, okay. More or less he answered the question already by himself. It's a very important match. Everybody in our team knows about it. And we have made a lot of efforts to get in a situation like that, because it was not easy. The last results against very strong teams. So now we have a good chance. We are playing at home against Libya, and we know that Libya needs 3 points if they want to have any chance. And we for sure also will need 3 points to have a chance to go through. So everybody is aware about the situation, and everybody is 100% focused and concentrated.
Next. Okay. Todos.
Coach, twabo ni umukinnyi umushamuri muri equipe twavuye mu Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika, hanyuma aza akoze imyitozo rimwe cyangwa se kabiri. Ese murabona ahagaze ate mu mukino, mubona ko by'ukuri azadufasha mu bakinnyi bazagenderaho? Ikindi witwa Manzi Thierry ku mukino wabereye hano i Kigali, ndumva atarabashije gukina, yagize n'ikibazo cy'imvune ashobora kurinda kandi yagasimbura. Ese kuri uyu mukino Manzi Thierry ameze ate? Ari tayari, arakize, ashobora kuba mwamukoresha? Wenda aze no kutubwira kuri forumu ko yabonye ikintu mushaka.
So okay, you called up Kavita for the first time. How is he responding to the trainings? How is he? Do you think he will help you in the games to come in the games? And secondly, it's about Manzi. Last time he got out injured and he didn't play the next match against Benin here. So is he now fit? Is he ready to be put on the pitch to play?
Okay, first to the question about Kavita. Now this time there was a chance because Clement has 2 yellow cards, so he is not allowed to play. So this means there's a space, they opened a space that I was discussing with my coaches, and we decided to invite him. That's a good opportunity. The problem is that players from outside, as always, are coming very late. So we only had 2 training sessions until now. And but he's doing well. He's a very good character. You can see that he is a player who is in responsibility in his team as a captain. He's physically fit, so I think it is and it was a good chance for us to see him. And for sure he is someone who might help in the future, maybe even in one of these matches. We will see.
Yeah,
and about Manzi, yes, Manzi also came to the camp. Fortunately, the situation became better after his injury. Sure, he has recovered. He is joining the training with us. The problem is that he has not played now for quite a while. This means he is lacking a little bit match practice. But I think he's a very experienced player who can handle the situation. And the decision will finally be then after the training today, if he will start tomorrow or not.